Hello guys, come with us to Togo for another kitchen cabinet installation. This is our third project in Togo, and this one has been a very serious, stressful project. We left Accra on the 19th of August, that's Friday. The next day of the 20th, we started with the project. Here we were going through the 3D design. I was explaining some of the parts to them and how the kitchen is going to be. That's Kingsley from Ajazon. Along the line you'll see Michael too. Yeah, this project we were only 3. After that we continue with the grooving of the base cabinet. That's Kingsley and Michael working on the top cabinet. They've already boxed the base cabinet already and they've done the arrangements too. I'm also outside working on the bloom drawers. You see, this is our third project in Togo, and this one has been the most difficult one amongst them all. We've gone through a lot of challenges, a lot of problems, and we've learned a lot from this project. It all started on Wednesday, 17th of September. We made arrangements with the driver to travel on the 17th and he agreed. On the 16th, we called him and he said he will be there, so we should not worry. The next day, we went to the machine shop with our tools to meet the driver. We got there and we called him and he said he can't make it, so we should make it the next day. I was very disappointed in him. He should have told us the previous day when we called him. We called a different driver and he said he'll come the next day and look at the things so we can go on Friday. We have no option but to agree with him. He came the next day and we gave him the location, Lome Agbavi village. From there, he gave us a price and we bargained with him and we agreed on a specific price. We all agreed to meet at the machine shop at La Paz. Friday the next day, I went with my colleague to the machine shop. We got to the machine shop and we called the driver. He said he's on his way, so we should wait for him. He called us and he said we should get another car with the materials and meet him at Achimota overhead, that he'll pay for that driver. I didn't say anything. I just called one of my drivers and I asked him to come. He came and looked at the things he charged and I called the driver back. I told him the price and he said they should pick it. My driver picked the things to the place. We got there, he's not there. We offloaded the things to the place and we waited for him. He came and we packed everything into the car and we started the journey. We crossed the border around 12 a.m. On our way to Agbavi village. The driver started complaining that the place is too far, so he can't go. Like joke, the driver parked along the road and he started offloading our things. I was very angry. I didn't know what to do. He offloaded the things and left. Because we crossed the border, our phone network was not working. We need to get someone to call the client and inform him about the situation. The client too is not in the country, so we have to call the caretaker. We called him and he came with a car. At that time, it was around 2 to 3 a.m. The car he brought was very small, so we were not able to pack everything at a go. It took us 3 trips to pack everything. By the time we were done, it was 5 a.m. in the morning. We were very tired, so we rested for 3 hours. After the 3 hours of rest, we continued with the project. At this stage, you can see that we are done with boxing of all the cabinets. You can see the base cabinets are ready, the top cabinets also are ready. and the wall cabinet are also ready. The next stage is to level the base cabinet and pin them together. We are done with the leveling of the base cabinet and we are now working on the wall cabinet. We always use our laser level to get an accurate level for our cabinet. As you can see, we are almost done with the fixing of the doors. The drawers has been fixed, the extractor too has been fixed. Let me remind you, this is Sunday evening, so everything you are seeing now has been done within 2 days, Saturday and Sunday. So Monday we will go in for the worktop. The next day, early in the morning, we went in for the worktop. This is the showroom. They have a very nice showroom. When we got there, they have 3 types of stones. They have granite, marble, and porcelain. Granite was what we planned to buy, but the one we chose was not available. And they also have this white marble available, because they are the only company who sells kitchen countertop in Lome. It is either we get the white marble or we go back to Ghana to get the white granite. One thing about marble is that if anything like coffee sits on it for a very long time, it can leave a stain. We spoke to the clients and explained everything to her, and she said we should give her some small time to think about it. Mind you, this project was supposed to take only 3 days, but now we are in the 4th day. And the man in charge of fixing the countertop was supposed to come the next day. Finally, she called and she said we should get the white marble. We went back to the place the next day to buy the white marble. After giving them the measurements and everything, they said the marble will be ready on Friday. That means we have to call the countertop person and reschedule the time with him so that he will come on Saturday for the worktop installation. Finally, they called us that the worktop is ready. So we bought marble for the countertop and porcelain for the backsplash. The worktop guy also came in on the Saturday and he started with the installation. This project was supposed to be finished within 3 days, but it took us 8 days because of the challenges we faced. As you can see, the countertop has been professionally installed and it completes the whole look of the kitchen. We faced a few challenges along the way, but through it all, we thank God for His guidance and His strength that helped us to finish with excellence. And this is the final result of the project. What do you think? We would love to hear your feedback in the comment section. Feel free to leave your ideas or suggestions. Thank you.